How to build a positive mindset about ourselves. What is mindset? It refers to a set of beliefs, attitudes, and ways of thinking that person has about themselves and the world around them. First, I'll look into a question by checking AI responses and researching articles. Step by step, we move forward. First step, self-awareness and identifying current beliefs. We must ask ourselves, what beliefs fill my mind? Are these thoughts beneficial or harmful to my growth? We have to decide what kind of mindset we choose to adopt. Let's say we aim to build a growth mindset. The key is to start by transforming our fixed mindset. Instead of thinking I can't do this, we should train ourselves to believe I can learn and get better. Step 3. Change your self-talk. The third, transformation. Rewire your self-talk. Change I'm not good at this too. This is a skill I'm currently developing. Step 4. Change your environment and mental inputs. Our subconscious mind is constantly shaped by what we see, hear, and consume. That's why we need to fill our brains with inspirational books, motivational and educational videos, and contents about growth. Step 5. Repetition and practice. Write a plan, active practice, and creative visualization. Step 6. Embrace failure as a part of the journey. Look, building a strong mindset comes down to this. Trust your mind, trust your brain, feed it good stuff, put it in work, and you'll figure things out. Screw perfections. Just show up, mess up, and level up. You gotta see it in your head before you can hold it in your hands. That's why keeping your mind right is everything.
I'm taking it all.